Finally at SeaWorld, but I'm gonna attempt to ride every single roller coaster. Today is National Roller Coaster Day, so I'm gonna attempt to do that. I would have went to Six Flags, but they were closed today, so this is the next best thing, and I can film on the ride as well, so let's try that out. Say hi, Aaliyah. Say hi. First walking in, we got these free ice cream tickets between 12 and 4 at the Italy kiosk, and we got 3 of them. That's awesome.
Oh, different guy.
Got the Hallow Scream signs out now. Hiring $15 an hour for scare actors if you're interested in that sort of thing. But Hallow Scream is definitely right around the corner. We're here on a Monday if you need any perspective, but it is not busy at all, so I think everything's gonna kind of be walk-on in general. Are you ready? Let's sing it. Ready?
So you're not allowed to record on this ride? Oh, not on this one?
Oh, I tried to record on the Box Derby ride, and they said I couldn't have the GoPro on there, so first time with the camera on the ride, fail, but I think this next time is going to be a little bit better, so let's try that out. All right, gonna give the Texas Stingray a try. Hopefully it's not as difficult as the first time riding the Box Derby ride. So mission accomplished. I was able to record on the Texas Stingray, so that's good. That's a good sign. So let's see how the other 2 coasters go. I think it'll go just the same. I'm thinking maybe it's just kiddie rides that can't record on, so I'm not sure what the reasoning is behind that, but I'm sure that it's something. There's like nobody over here. Completely dead. Oh yeah, the arcade's pretty empty. What do you want to go play games? What do you want to play? This one? Yeah? All right, gonna attempt the Great White now. I can't wait for this. It's been a bit since I've ridden, so I'm excited. But I feel like Ben 10 with this like whole thing on my wrist. So crazy. Oh my gosh, I love this. All right, now to do the Wave Runner. This will be my 3rd coaster now. Oh, and here's a little bit of a mini construction update as to what's going on, the secret project. All right, cool. Pretty much just got off Wave Breaker. I always try to mess it up. Went pretty good. I love it. I love it mostly for the theming of it. I love the build up to it, those screens and everything. It's amazing. It's a great ride. I think it's underestimated a little bit. May not go upside down, but it's definitely a lot of fun. There it goes. Oh yeah, and when I rode, I was the only one on the ride. That's how little people were actually getting on it. Let me see your tongue. That's a blue tongue. Blue tongue. National Roller Coaster Day Dippin' Dots. I don't know why they were doing this for free today. It's interesting. Is it yummy? Yummy. Oh yeah, what are we doing? Are we taking a break? Yeah. Are you eating your lollipop? What are those?
Those puffins?
Are those puffins? They are. Yeah, this area is usually like flooded with people. All right, time for the Steel Eel. The final and arguably best coaster here. Yeah, don't bring your phone on. It's not always safe in your pocket. Got off that beast. Kind of liking this wrist strap action. This is pretty cool. I've been meaning to check out the miniature version of the Great White Coaster inside of here, so let's go in and see what we can see. Press it. Does it go? Oh no, it doesn't work. Oh, nothing. Aw, dang. Oh look, there it goes.
That would be cool if it was like actually over the whales and stuff.
That's neat. Oh yeah, that would be wild. That is so cool. That is neat. I love that. And then they got Starbucks coffee all inside of here, the coaster company. All kinds of merch and things and stuff you can check out. Oh no, is it going?
You pressed it just now.
Did you press it? I see the lights on in there. No, I don't think it's working right now. Oh well, that's cool nonetheless. That is neat. A good end with good music to a good day. The National Roller Coaster, I want to say rodeo for some reason, the Roller Coaster Day. Wow, that music's dramatic. All right, cool. Yeah, National Roller Coaster Day, a success. Happy National Roller Coaster Day to anybody celebrating today with roller coasters near them. Like, subscribe, all that mess. That being said, have a good day.